Today is an exciting day. I have been invited to the inauguration ceremony of Kenya Airways' newest addition to its fleet, the Boeing 777-300ER. This was more than just an event. This was personal. The aircraft at the center of today's ceremony is Kenya Airways' largest aircraft and currently the flagship of the airline. Registered as 5 Yankee Kilo Yankee Zulu, this Boeing 777-300ER was originally delivered to Kenya Airways back in 2014. However, in 2016, the aircraft was leased to Turkish Airlines. For the past 10 years, this aircraft has operated away from home, but today it is finally back in Kenya, back with Kenya Airways. I also had an opportunity to fly on this very aircraft to Mombasa on 15th July this year. And I can honestly say that it was one of the best flights I have ever experienced. From the moment I stepped on board, there was something special about flying on a Boeing 777-300ER that belonged to the pride of Africa. The service was excellent. The experience was memorable. I believe bringing this aircraft back was one of the best decisions Kenya Airways could have made. Among those in attendance were the Cabinet Secretary for Roads and Transport, Honorable Davis Churchill, the Principal Secretary for the State Department for Aviation and Aerospace Development, Honorable Teresia Mbaika, and the Kenya Airways Acting Chief Executive Officer, Captain George Kamal. During the address ceremony, CEO Captain George Kamal explained that deploying the wide-body aircraft on the Nairobi to London route will unlock new opportunities, not only for Kenya Airways, but for Kenya as a whole.
The world-class airline that every Kenyan and every African can be proud of. The pride of Africa is back. And today we take another confident step towards the future. And finally, ladies and gentlemen, let's also celebrate one more surprise, the release of our second Boeing 787, which was a 12 years heavy check, first time in the history of Kenya Airways. This is the second time done by Kenya. Additionally, our long-grounded 787 awaiting engines is being conducted and expected to be released in September. The Boeing 777-300ER is ready. Our new menus are also ready. We have a new menu which will be studied today on this flight. Kenya Airways is ready. This is our new menu, so please stay tuned for it. Kenya is ready. London, here we come. We are coming into London.
The Cabinet Secretary for Roads and Transport, Honorable Davis Churchill, also noted that the return of the Boeing 777 signaled renewed confidence in the national carrier.
The Boeing 777-300ER is one of the most important aircraft. It fits over 400 passengers.
I want to sincerely thank everyone who made this opportunity possible. Opportunities like this motivate me more than ever to continue pursuing this aviation journey. And to everyone watching this who has a passion, I want to say this: keep going, keep learning, keep creating, and keep believing in your dreams. Because sometimes the things you are passionate about can take you places you never imagined. Thank you for joining me on this incredible day. This is Alliance Elias.